It's a new day. I just did my hair yesterday. I showed you guys. Yeah, but I don't know what to do, and I can't find time to go to my hairstylist. So I want to see if I can quickly just retouch it this morning. Yeah, so that I can, because it's due. So I'll try to see if I can retouch it this morning, and you know, just so that I can pack it, or what's it called, or weave it and then put wig on it. But that's the situation of things this morning. I just wanted to come and talk to you. So for today is to retouch my hair this morning. It's currently to 11. I actually slept in this morning because usually I wake up around 5, get ready, like do my devotion, and yeah, I do my devotion and all that before my son wakes up. I wake my son up at 8 so that we can get ready for school. But today I had to sleep in, so my husband prepared him for school, so I slept till like 10. Yeah, that's why I'm just waiting. I'm just coming out at 11. So I actually slept in today. So once I now that I have brushed, I haven't had my bath, I just brushed my teeth. I'm going to retouch my hair like I explained, and then once I'm done I need to head to the studio. I have a makeup student coming in today. If you didn't know, I'm a makeup artist based in Tallinn, Estonia. We take bridal bookings, any event actually, and we travel as well around Europe especially. So if you need a makeup artist for your events, then please hit me up. This is my makeup business page, so please check out my business page. Thank you. So I have a student. We also take classes as well. So I have a private student coming in today. Yeah, so we'll be going to do like private classes today. So once I'm done with that, that's about what I have for the day. But yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys before I officially start my day. I'm trying to like use this. I showed you earlier when I opened it to retouch my hair. Let's just see how that goes, because I need to weave this and I can't weave it like this because it's really due. Alright, let's go and retouch our hair. This one came with 2 gloves. Yeah, came with 2 gloves, and then it came with a spatula as well for mixing things. So this one will be this one. Okay. I have my gloves, but since it came with gloves, I mean, it's a bit weird, but I'm going to try to read the instruction sheet a bit.